Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: PAN or acknowledgement, your date of birth, and access to the phone or email you used. First, go to the official PAN tracking page and choose the correct provider, NSDL or URIETSL, so you don't waste time trying the wrong portal. Next, enter the 15-digit acknowledgement or PAN and your DOB precisely. Once done, solve the CAPTCHA and submit. This triggers an immediate status lookup. Make sure every character matches your application. Once the page returns results, read the status carefully. It will say acknowledged, under process, printed, dispatched, or delivered. You're checking what stage your application is actually in. This tells you whether action is required. If it shows dispatched, copy the consignment or tracking number immediately so you can follow the courier. If the portal is slow, use the same acknowledgement to recheck after a few minutes rather than reapplying. This prevents duplicate records and confusion. To finish, confirm delivery or the next administrative step shown by the status. If it says delivered but you don't have the card, check with household members and the courier tracker, then contact the service provider using the consignment number. If there's no update or an error, raise a grievance via the same portal and record the complaint ID. If your details were incorrect, file a correction application immediately. You'll need the correction acknowledgement to resume tracking and close the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.